Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Croatia. We are going to use the Remitly app because this is the easiest way, in my opinion, to transfer money internationally without having an international bank account. So basically you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the top left corner of the screen, and from here you just have to look for Croatia on this list. And when you find it, you just have to wait until the page loads, then tap on Get Started, add the new recipient. And the next step is going to be adding the amount of money that you would like to transfer. On the top, you can see your local currency, and below that, you can see your recipient country's currency. Then tap on Continue. Choose the delivery method. We have bank deposit. Then choose the country. Then you have to add the IBAN code. This is the bank address of your recipient. Now here you must be very careful to type in the correct number. Obviously, I'm going to use a fictional number here. Tap on Continue to type in the first name and the last name. You can also add the phone number of your recipient, but this is not mandatory, so you can also skip this step. And here, this is the last step where you have to add your debit or credit card details, so the Remitly app can charge you for this amount, and your recipient is going to receive it in the form of a regular bank transfer. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.